demands with his otherwise other senses, and therefore there are only two organs that are important these days. That is your eyes and your ear. Look clearly, sharply. Oh, listen to the entire conversation. Oh la la. This is the understanding. This is what the person is trying to tell you. I did not hear this before. Doctor, I have hair fall. Very good. And see this hair fall, along with this hair fall, I have got this obesity. And along with the obesity, I have got this PCOD. PCOD problem is not a problem for me. That I know someday it will come. Obesity and hair fall is a big issue. Very good. At the as a homeopath will say, how come obesity and forget that obesity and hair fall, tell about PCOD. That is important because I am a doctor. For me, PCOD is important. But for the patient, it is not important. She is clearly telling you, PCOD is not a problem. I know one day it will come. Good. You know one day it will come, keep it aside. No problem. Even we know one day it will come. So what is the issue? Hair fall and obesity. Tell me about the problem. Oh, there is a lot of hair fall, doctor. What to tell you? So many times I just look myself in the mirror and say I'm getting bald day by day, day by day. Sometimes I even start counting the hair that are fallen on the floor. And at times I even measure the length of the hair that has fallen. How many people who do not have hair fall over here? And how many people have hair fall over here? Do we really count the hair number of years? 1. Mama, wait, I'm coming for breakfast. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, no, Mama, how many times you are calling me? Again, 1, 2. Do we count? This person is counting. Isn't it characteristic? And another thing is she is taking the tape and measuring the length of the hair that has fallen. Very good. This is too much. I've never seen in my 30 years of practice anybody saying, I'm counting the number of hair that have fallen. So much amount of time she has got in the morning before going to office. That she has the time to count. And here I am seeing half the people in Bombay having sandwiches and all and getting down the staircase. Mama, going up at that time. There is no time even to have breakfast. And here she is counting the hair. This becomes a unique factor. This is what you have to see. This is what you have to hear. Don't have to analyze. Arey, fool, what fool you are counting the hair. Nonsense. God, you have lost the characteristic. Are you seeing? So characteristics are to be simply observed, heard, seen and keep quiet and underline. Write it down and underline. This is what we fail to do. When the person is giving you location, sensation, modality, concomitant of any chief complaint, remember, keep your senses wide open, note it down, underline it, forget it later and we'll see what to do with that. Are you getting? This is the most important based on 84 aphorisms. And many a times we are rationally trying to think, hey, what a fool here, how can this be possible? Getting this? So this is what I want to further. What there is of an altered or unusual character. Counting the hair is unusual character. Measuring the length of the hair is unusual character. Right? And this is very important for Indians, which we cannot do. Which we just cannot do. Even if anybody stitches our lips also still it will tear open and we'll start. Keeping silence himself. We want to ask question. Right side, left side. While sleeping, while getting up. No, moment you keep the leg on your feet, that time it pains. Or when you are in the bed only, that time it pains. But why you have to ask? If whatever is there for that person, they will tell you. Yes or no? For this one common example I will give you. During our college days, friend circles and everything, anybody who knows a secret, a scenario, and you are so excited, 10 no, please 10 no, 10 no, 10 no, 10 no, 10 no, that person will not tell you. Have you seen that ever? Because you are so much curious about knowing it, that person will never ever tell you. And the person says, I've got a secret, you just keep quiet, you do your work. Don't want to listen? Don't want to listen? See, don't want to listen, then I'll not tell you. See, okay, anyway I'll tell you, come here. Repulsive is the best way of attraction. The more you hang on, the more you love. With whom did you go? What time did you come? Where did you go? What dress did you wear? slowly that person is out. Because that is suffocating me, they say, right? Too much of questions and too much of no freedom at all because you don't trust. So wait there. Do not get excited. Keep yourself silent. Right? Now the question is about how long to get silent. Another question. Right? Others, I tell you my own story. Silent, and the patient walked up and went and I don't even know. It has happened. I tell you 30 years of our, we have one seminar on 30 years of your practice. What all you did. So silence also has an important scientific base to it. Till the person is gazing here and there and trying to think, wait. That means the person is thinking. When the person removes their eyes off you, remember their thinking. There is something coming up in their mind, subconscious. If they have eye-to-eye contact, there is no thinking.